everyone, welcome back to another video. We're on our way to Unionville to Dave's Auto. I'm actually sitting in traffic right now. I figured I'd film this intro. I got a message or a post on Messenger from Rob, excuse me. They got the El Camino in paint today, so that was pretty awesome. So I figured the wife had the day off, so this is the only day this week I got to get over there and drop the chrome off in case they're going to need it, which I don't know if they're going to need it this week. I'm not pushing, I'm not rushing, but this is the only free day I have to get over there and give them the 2 pieces of chrome that Dave suggested that I get for the car. The rest of the chrome is decent and nice, and the other 2 pieces, the chrome was gone. It's a 1970 original chrome, like I was telling you in the last video, but the chrome has been scrubbed and cleaned over the years so much it's almost gold. The chrome is gone, and it's original GM chrome. So he suggested that I go get new chrome, the 2 pieces, that way it looks good, and I don't want to put shitty stuff on top of his killer work, you know what I mean? So it took me a couple weeks to come up with it, to save up and to get it. They're quite, not quite expensive, but to me expensive. It was like $140 for the 2 little pieces of chrome that I needed. So that's what we're doing. We're heading that way. I figured I'd throw you guys a quick update video today. Wanted to show you guys this car that I've seen sitting here. I'm actually going to pull over to read this produce sign, but I'm going to take it's a 69 Yanko SC Camaro. I love that color combination, the white and the orange. Beautiful car. I figured I'd throw that in for you guys real quick. I took a little pit stop here. I'm going to show you this car up on the rock pile. And we got an old GMC or an old Chevrolet pickup here. The old Bayshore Bar and Grill. They got pretty good food here. Somebody's out off M25. Need a burger and a beer. Straight across from the big marshland. Established in 1938. Food, drinks, perch dinners. Everybody's got to respect the good old perch dinners. You got a marina back there in the back. Good old America. Not much wind. It's pretty humid out today. And me and the missus is out for a cruise. I figured we'd take a ride up to see Dave. See how we're gonna come along. Dang, he's going speed limit. We also got an old NASCAR side of a NASCAR body there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's actually a guy sitting in there. Scary guy. Oh, he's a monster. And he's pulling the SS Minnow. I'll see if I can get around the front and get a better shot of him. The old Buick Roadmaster. Well, you can't see him from the... see if I can... I don't know how that's going to turn out, guys. It's way up in the air, but give you a scary little shot of him. Quantica Sea, Michigan. Bayshore Tavern. And we got a little bit of wind going on the flag. The guys over here got it all done up. That's just the base coat. Is that clear on it too? Yep. Oh, it's clear too? So, look done. Awesome. I ain't gonna walk around and get no dust stirred up, guys. So.
to fucking
get a motor built.
Yeah, I'm like, hey, I said, you gotta talk to somebody on it, you know. And that's when Kevin, that's what he messaged you. He goes, fuck yeah, fucking keep the car straight on.
Here's more video of Dave's 69 GTO. See the reflection. I mean, that's not the reflection from the picture. That's actual shadowing of the paint job. Back when it was carbureted. It's fuel injected now. Here, actually, right there's a picture of the old setup, which we never got to witness. I mean, since we met Dave, it's always been fuel injected.
Yeah, we did that in 17.
Badass. He's gonna have well, he's already faster than the El Camino, so I guess we ain't gonna meet up. Well, everybody, we just got back from Unionville, dropping off the chrome pieces that Dave's gonna need after the paint settles up. Man, that thing looks sharp. Hats off to you guys once again over there at Dave's Collision in Unionville. Can't thank you guys enough. Larry, Rob, Kevin, Dave. Man, you guys don't know how much this means to us for getting that car situated. But we made her back to the house. I figured I'd throw in a quick update of the boys' Monte. We got it moving under its own power. I didn't film a lot of it. I mean, you guys seen us take the rear end out, but the new rear end's on it, or in it. We got the exhaust hung. He's got the old exhaust out of the 8 or X pipe out of the El Camino under it. Sounds pretty good. He's got new competition drag shocks on there. Oh. Old Blazer just sitting there waiting in line. But he's also got, you guys know, he's got the studs. We had to get metric lug nuts. The studs were metric on this rear end. They're not a half 20. They're I think a 14 by 1.5 metric. But shifter's hooked up. Operational. You guys already seen we did all the wiring for the tack, the gauges. Got the G-body buckets in. That matches the red interior that we got from Schneidertron over there. Pro Stick, B&M Pro Stick, that's he got from me. We got the hood mounted up, hood pins. Which, you know, it's kind of scary, guys, when you go to put these hood pins on I think he paid $500 for this hardwood hood. Let me step back, and he pulled it out last night and scrubbed it all up. Looks pretty good. He's actually coming over. We got to change the lower radiator hose. It was all oil soaked and saturated with oil, so it was starting to seep. And I told him we're not going to run it, take any chances. You could see it getting wet on the outside of the hose where it's by the radiator. So it was saturated with oil. So he's bringing that tonight. We're going to top off the tranny fluid. He does need new front shocks on it also, so we're going to be getting another pair of the Competition Engineering race shocks for it. But yeah, a little quick update for him too. And I'm glad that he's actually going to be able to drive this car. I don't know if he's taking it home tonight. We still got to bleed the front brakes too. I got the back, we gravity fed the back brakes, and we couldn't get a pedal on it at first, so I had to bleed the master cylinder. I think somebody changed the master cylinder and didn't bench bleed it. So I had to bleed the master cylinder before we could even get anything functioning at all. So we bled that, then I started getting fluid, at the back, and then I couldn't, I can't pump the pedal in and crack the bleeder, so like I told him, we got to do the front yet. And then I'll check the back again. But yeah, guys, this build was a fun build with the boy. And we are going to be switching this over to, like I said, in the winter, it's going to be coming back apart. There was minor, we ran into a couple little minor issues off camera that we had to take care of. I'm not going to pop the hood and lift it off, but he can't be more happy. It's ready to rumble. I will fire it up. You guys will hear it. I'll do a video of it as it's when he takes it home and let you hear. He's got the Michigan Muscle Car sticker in there. He's got the Monte Carlo Stagger sticker, which is awesome. Nitrous Express. But yeah, he can't be more happy. You know, like I said, he's finally seeing the light at the end of the tunnel, which is cool. And I figured I'd throw that update in for you guys on this El Camino update. But again, guys, I appreciate everybody for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. All right, bye-bye.